Our next step is to put in some text. Please double-click on the Big Ben assets and open the Big Ben text document. Your first step should be to check that there are no issues with this document. So if you see anything that's underlined in blue or red, please right-click on it and fix it. You'll need to do something similar for your assessment. Then save the Word document. First, we're going to grab our big heading and copy it to the clipboard. In our index HTML, anything that's in white text can be seen by the user. So let's change the title to Big Ben and save. A reminder that to see your website, you should double-click on the index page and it will open in Chrome. And right now you might say, well, it didn't change the heading, but notice that it did change the title, which appears in the tab. We can go back into our code. Remember that we're looking for white text. Our main heading is H1. Please change this to say Big Ben. And remember to save. And if you reload in Chrome, you'll see that our top heading has changed. Our subheading is an iconic clock, so of course you want to copy it. Remember, we're looking for white text, and this is a level 2 heading, so we can paste, save, and preview. Our next step is to go through paragraph by paragraph and put in the text. So the first paragraph is actually our source. And for now, we're going to ignore putting in the image, and you can triple click on a paragraph and replace it by going Control V. Note that we have our start and end open and close p tags, and when you click on them, they should be underlined in yellow. We can continue to copy and paste paragraphs, making sure that our open p tags are closed. In this case, I need some extra paragraph tabs, so I can very quickly go in, and you'll notice that in my Visual Studio Code, as soon as I open a tag, it closes it for me, and I can then go to my text and copy and paste. So that's what my code now looks like. A reminder that if you see a small round circle to the right of your file name, you need to save. And we can then reload our preview, and all the paragraphs are displaying correctly. Next, we'll put in hyperlinks both as the source and when we reference the Big Ben Wikipedia page in the last paragraph. Right. Go to the last paragraph and carefully select the URL. Cut it, and then at the start of the word Big Ben, go A, href equals, and close off your bracket. Then inside the speech marks, paste in the URL. Please get the text that says Wikipedia page, cut it, and put it between your open and close tag. Finally, remove the text that says link to. And when I reload the page, I can see that it's linking to the Big Ben Wikipedia page. And when I click on that link, it does work correctly. Our next step is to do something similar for the source. Go up to source, select the URL and cut it, put in your ahref equals code, and paste the source inside the speech marks and also between your open and close A tags, remembering to close the bracket. And reload. Every time you do this, you do want to test to double check that it worked correctly. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and add in the image.